This is a guide on replacing a touchscreen LCD on the Acer Aspire V3-575T. To perform this replacement, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and a new touchscreen LCD module. To begin, make sure that the laptop is turned off and disconnect the power. The battery is not easily removable in this laptop, so you will have to be extra cautious when reconnecting the new screen. There are no screws that hold the bezel in place. Insert your fingers between the LCD and the inner edge of the bezel. Carefully start working your way around the assembly and do not apply too much force. Once the bezel is separated, set it aside. The screen is held in place by 4 Phillips screws, one through each mounting tab near each corner. Once all the screws are removed, pull the old screen down on the keyboard. Peel off the clear tape securing the video connector. Using a plastic pick, carefully disconnect the video cable. Put the old screen aside. At this point, the new screen can be installed. Place the new screen on the keyboard and reattach the video cable using both hands. Make sure that the cable is not twisted or slanted. It must be plugged in straight. Secure the video connector with tape. It is a good idea to add extra tape for safety. Lift the new LCD and align the mounting tabs with the screw holes. Replace the 4 Phillips screws. Remove the thin protective film from the LCD. Reattach the bezel by pushing the clips back in with your hands. Work your way around to make sure all the clips are connected. Flip the laptop over and make sure that the bottom edge is also snapped in. Reconnect the power. Turn the laptop on, and we're done.